Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 Air 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the gestures, so the second option, and tap on system navigation. So before we'll set the gestures, here you can customize the 3 button navigation. Simply tap on the settings icon, and unfortunately we've got only the option hold home for assistant. However, you can customize it here. So now let's set the gestures. Simply tap on this option at the top, and you can see that instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can also customize them, so simply tap on this edit icon or the settings icon, and here we've got the back sensitivity. We can change the left and the right edge, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, until you'll see this arrow. And now you can release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, just like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time elongate this gesture and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.